What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for another Pipeline the Surf Coaster construction update. And if you've been following our socials, you know that the inversion was completed this morning. Well, we came back because we wanted to get an up-close view of everything. And of course, right now we can see right there, an inversion done. It's looking pretty good. I also saw SkyTower running, so fingers crossed we'll be able to get on that. Ticket windows, not busy at all. Security and parking was a breeze. And getting in through the front entrance will also be that way. There's no wait. And colors just pop. Front entrance looking beautiful. Look at that massive wave curl inversion. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. And it's actually Florida winter. This morning when I woke up, it was somewhere in the 50s. High today was somewhere around low 70s or so. But people are wearing jackets, a little weird. But hey, with the Christmas music now, it's more fitting. Waterfront area, and normally we go that way towards the bridge, but I want to try out SkyTower and see if we can actually get on it. SkyTower. Crossing my fingers. Also, this will show that people really do watch our video. That sign piece that was right here, not here today. Alright, I've said it once before and I'll say it again. I have some of the worst luck when it comes to SkyTower. Come on, baby. Open. Alright, well, struck out with SkyTower again. I'll check back a little bit later and hopefully it'll be open. Instead of heading over to the bridge, it's getting a little closer to 4 p.m. and I need to go scan my pass at the Pass Member Lounge so that I can get my front of the line quick queue access for Pipeline. So I'm going to do that now. Well, looks like we found our friend, the tree topper, doing his thing. Mako, currently showing a 5-minute wait, even though it's running one train. Not bad. Infinity Falls. Unfortunately, not in operation. As we can see, water's not flowing. Waterway Grill, we have arrived. Pass Member Lounge, gonna get my final scan. All right, so I just scanned my pass for a third time and ta-da, check it out. Pass Member Pipeline, one-time quick queue. It's awesome, so I'll be able to skip the lines. Icebreaker exit. I love these views.
Sit back with your back against the seat and head against the head carefully over the blue bar. Thank you for riding Icebreaker and enjoy the rest of your day here.
It's bridge time. Feels a little weird saying it over here instead of over there like normal, but again, pipeline. Layout looking good. Wave curl inversion, done. And the trim brakes that were on the ground yesterday, well, are now a part of the layout. They were just installed. Construction ducks. Yeah. There we go. Awesome views. A pipeline. Again, they were able to finish that wave curl inversion there. Trim brake right there before the high-speed turns that are going to be in this area. But this thing looks very wavy. Awesome looking. Well, I kind of like when there's a trend of things that were not here yesterday but are here now. Well, that's new. Thank the maker. We're finally riding. It's been so long. Here we go. It's been forever, literally since before the big hurricane over a month ago. And we got Electric Ocean music playing. Thank goodness. Finally had a chance to do SkyTower. Awesome views up there. The lighting was a little bad with the glare. We'll ride it another time, some other time, and hopefully get some better views. But hey, at least we rode it. More great views today of the completed wave curl inversion, but it'd look a lot better from the air. Let's do that now, shall we? Manta and pink chickens. Yeah. Where's Sprinkles and Sunday? Huh? Where are they, guys? The two new baby flamingos that were introduced to the pen yesterday? Well, I don't see them, unfortunately. They're probably in for the night. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another video here from SeaWorld Orlando. For Pipeline the Surf Coaster, crews were able to finish up the wave curl inversion. Exciting stuff. Now they are going to move on to the high-speed turns, and I'm expecting a lot of that to go up sometime next week. Most of the foundations are done, probably 90 to 95%. Manta doing a little flyby right now. And of course, you know already, we will have plenty more updates from here. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway. Bye, guys.